Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review the Cotton Peak Patty Polo shirt by Hugo Boss. Hugo Boss is known for its sharp style and quality craftsmanship, and this polo definitely lives up to that reputation. Tees made from a breathable peak cotton, which has a nice bit of texture to it. This material is perfect for summer weather, keeping you cool and comfortable. This polo shirt has a regular fit, so it's not too tight or too baggy. Tee offers a clean and comfortable silhouette that works well on a variety of body types. The collar and cuffs are both flat knit, giving the shirt a casual yet polished look. What really sets this polo apart are the subtle sporty details. It features thin stripes that add a touch of visual interest without being overwhelming. And of course, the contrasting Hugo Boss logo on the chest pops nicely against the main color of the shirt. One thing we really appreciate about this polo is Hugo Boss's commitment to sustainability. The cotton used is sourced through regenerative agriculture, which focuses on improving soil health, water quality, and biodiversity. It's great to see a major brand taking steps to be more eco-friendly. This shirt is super easy to care for. It's made from 100% cotton, so you can simply toss it in the washing machine on a cold cycle. No need for dry cleaning or any special treatment. Overall, we are really impressed with the Hugo Boss Patty Polo shirt. It's a well-made, comfortable, and stylish polo that's perfect for summer. The subtle sporty details elevate it from a basic polo, and the fact that it's made with sustainable practices is a big bonus. If you're looking for a classic polo shirt with a touch of personality, this is a great option. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product review.